You're looking at Aeon, a new humanoid robot from Hexagon, and it's powered by some serious NVIDIA AI technology. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That is where my newsletter comes from, and it's free. Aeon stands at an impressive 5 foot 9 inches tall and is built on NVIDIA's full robotics stack, the same tech powering AI and self-driving cars. Aeon is designed to take on the tough, repetitive, and critical jobs on factory floors and construction sites. Think equipment inspections, moving materials, or operating high-precision scanners. Basically all the essential tasks where it's getting harder and harder to find human workers. But here's where it gets really interesting. Aeon is designed to get smarter over time. As it works, it's constantly scanning its environment to create a perfect virtual copy of its workplace. In other words, a digital twin. It then uses that virtual world to practice, run simulations, and train itself to be more efficient and precise. It's a self-learning loop that means every robot is continuously improving. This ability to learn from experience is what really changes the game here, and yeah, it is a little unnerving. So here is the big question. If a robot can learn and improve on its own, where does that leave us? What is our role in the workforce of the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Cool tech like this at cyberguy.com, including all the security alerts you want on my free newsletter at that little red button